They're making it seem as if the problem is Duterte. We want to ask Bongbong Marcos, nasaan yung 129 billion na gold reserves na binenta ninyo? Nasaan yung PhilHealth funds na 89 billion? Nasaan yung Maharlika Fund na 250 billion? Yung GSIS na 62.5 billion, yung SSS na 62.5 billion, yung Land Bank na 62.5 billion, yung PDIC, Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation, 117 billion kinuha at inilipat sa Department of Finance. Pera natin yon, hindi yun pera ng gobyerno. Lahat yun yung nasa bangko natin na pera, kinuha at dinagay sa Department of Finance. Bakit? Pera natin yon. So, yun ang mga pasagutin natin sa kanila. We just want the prices to go down. We want you to serve us and we want you to stop stealing from us. Tumigil na kayo. I just want to echo what the President said. Si Inday, kaya niya yan. Kayang-kaya ni Inday kasi for one thing, she is on high ground. Ito mga ito, puro invento lang naman yan eh. Wala naman silang maibabato. 125 million confidential funds na it's undergoing the COA process, di ba? Pero magkano yung confidential funds ng President, Intel funds, etc. Those are important issues, lalong-lalo na yung drug addiction ng president na ito. Sagutin mo yan. Magpa-drug test ka kasi kami, Pilipino, we deserve better. We don't want to have a